During sexual intercourse, about 300 million sperm enter the vagina. Soon after it, millions of them die due to the acidic environments in the vagina. However, many survive because of the protective elements provided in the fluid surrounding them. Next, the sperm must pass through the cervix, an opening into the uterus. Usually, it remains tightly closed, but here the cervix is open for a few days while the woman ovulates. The sperm swim through the cervical mucus, which is thinned to a more watery consistence for easier passage. Once inside the cervix, the sperm continues swimming towards the uterus. Then, thousands will die trying to make it through the mucus. Some sperm remain behind caught in the folds of the cervix, but then may later continue the journey as a backup to the first group. Inside the uterus, muscular uterine contractions assist the sperm on their journey towards the ovum. However, resident cells from the woman's immune system mistake the sperm for foreign invaders, destroying thousands more. Next, half the sperm head for the empty fallopian tube, while the other half swim towards the fallopian tube containing the unfertilized ovum. Now, only a few thousands remain. Inside the fallopian tube, tiny cilia push ovum towards the uterus. Some sperm get trapped in the cilia and die. During this part of the journey, chemicals in the reproductive tract cause the membranes covering the heads of the sperm to change. As a result, the sperm become hyperactive, swimming harder and faster towards the destination. At long last, the sperm reach the ovum. The ovum is covered with a layer of cells called corona radiata. The sperm must push through this layer to reach the outer layer of the ovum, the zona pellucida. When sperm reach the zona pellucida, they are attached to specialized sperm receptors on the surface, which triggers their acrosomes to release digestive enzymes, enabling the sperm to penetrate into the layer. Inside the zona pellucida is a narrow, fluid-filled space just outside the cell membrane. The first sperm to make contact will fertilize the ovum. Within a few minutes, the outer membrane fills and the ovum pulls the sperm inside. This event causes changes in the ovum membrane that prevents other sperm from attaching to it. Next, the ovum releases chemicals that push other sperm away from the ovum and creates an impenetrable fertilization membrane. Outside the ovum, sperm are no longer able to attach to the outer layer of the ovum.